Hi everybody, I'm Lisa Askley, the Inventress. I have to show you something so cool, it's going to blow your mind. Okay, the product first of all is called Wolbees, and they are curtain brackets. These are curtain brackets that really require no tools, no screws, no hammers, maybe a measuring tape just to measure where you are. And I want to demonstrate to you how simple it is to put these brackets on your wall, literally with zero tools. Check this out. So I've taken them out of the package, okay? It literally comes like this, it's a bracket. Now I'm going to remove, there's a backing that comes with it, you'll see. Remove the tape on the back, and I've pre-marked my walls. So I have a marking here. Ready for this? Okay, so that's in place. That's sturdy and in place. That's one. And that's two. They're in place, perfectly in place. Watch this. Take your curtain rod. Done. I think that was probably 30 seconds. I want to say that was about 30 seconds. It's done. My brackets are up. My rod is up and in place. Now all I have to do is hang my curtain. So get your package today. Go to Wolbees, WALLBEES.com. That's Wolbees.com. Get your Wolbees today.